What's going on, guys? Welcome back.
Another vlog.
We're back again. We have a really cool car this time. It's not the F8 behind us, but it is a Ferrari. And based on my previous video, it's my favorite color Ferrari as well. Can you guys guess what it is?
We actually had one here about a month ago.
Yeah, this is the second one we've done, right? Second? Yes. So without further ado, let's take you guys over to see the car we have.
Fist bump.
No.
Go like this.
Nope.
Why not?
No.
Come on, here, with the thing.
Woo.
Okay, what's going on, Logan? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Dude, you sound just like this SF90.
No, the SF90 is like... Bro, Jason started this car up and started backing up in electric mode, and I was like, what the is going on there? Alrighty, so Rosso Dino Ferrari SF90, the first hybrid, no, I take that back, the second hybrid hypercar that Ferrari has ever made. This has the, no, hold on, let me make sure I get this right. Come on, the car is locked. The Assetto Fiorano package, I think, something like that, which in this case comes with the factory stripe, as well as the carbon fiber wheels, I believe are an option for that, as well as the large ducktail style wing, also option in carbon fiber. So our client just took delivery of this car. He actually hasn't even seen it yet, but Rosso Dino, so Ferrari's orange, which is really, really cool. We're doing the full 9 yards. So correction, full body clear bra, window tint, windshield tint, clear plex, ceramic coating, I think even some skid plates, and then the final end of it is we're going to take it to our new photo booth, which very few people know about, but Ted Seven, the famous photographer, has opened up a photo booth a couple buildings over in our same property, so this will be the very first car we're shooting over there. Hopefully by the time we're done with it, the photo booth is done, because it's literally in the works right now. But without further ado, we'll let Margarito get back to work on making sure the paint and carbon is up to par before we put any film on it, so we'll let him do his work. Alrighty, so here we have a cake, right? It's Byron's birthday. I think Byron's been here almost the longest, so I don't know who got him this cake. It wasn't me. Oh, it's a cause cake. Damn!
Word on the street, I'm a suspect.
Dun 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 dun.
Jason, have you ever seen a cake that looks like this before?
Dun 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 dun.
Yes. Only for Byron, huh?
Yeah.
Man, that's sick. Can you even eat that?
I'll bite the head off and tell you how it tastes.
Perfect. Okay, now.
We got the cake!
Feliz cumpleaños a ti!
Da 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 da!
Cake time.
Mordida.
Hey, is that cause edible?
I already called it.
Bite the head off.
I already called it. It's mine.
Oh,
I'm gonna bite the ear.
Did you start with a template from Xpel and extend the edges wherever possible to allow for the cleanest possible install?
Of course, that's Jason's motto, and that's what we live in right here.
brand new Ferrari SF90. It's finally completed. It's end of day on Friday. The owner's stoked to have it back. He's been waiting a long time. So Ferrari SF90 with the Assetto Fiorano pack. So it comes with the optional stripe, which he opted to do in white with the yellow accents. Full carbon fiber wheels, as well as the larger carbon fiber dovetail wing. I think there's a couple other things underneath it that were changed with the Assetto Fiorano pack, but I'm not positive. So this car pretty much got the full 9 yards. So full correction, full body clear bra, ceramic, windshield, window tint, clear plex. I'm sorry, this car got Stek windshield protection film actually. We also did custom skid plates underneath the front end. So this car's gonna be driven properly. He's really looking forward to having it back and being able to rip on it. So without further ado, we'll let Daniel get some B-roll shots just like that.